Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is she is an ugly bad tempered witch. She is an ugly bad tempered witch. वो बदसूरत बदमिजाज चुड़ैल है. Second, cold winds are blowing today. Cold winds are blowing today. आज ठंडी हवाएं चल रही हैं. 3. I'm working day and night to learn English. I'm working day and night to learn English. मैं दिन रात एक कर रहा हूँ इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए. 4. I don't know when this journey of speaking English will end. I don't know when this journey of speaking English will end. पता नहीं ये इंग्लिश बोलने का सफ़र कब ख़त्म होगा. 5. He was tossing and turning the whole night. He was tossing and turning the whole night. वो सारी रात करवटें बदल रहा था. 6. Wipe your eye booger. Wipe your eye booger. अपनी आँखों का कीचड़ साफ़ करो, यानी कि जो आँखों के साइड पे गिर्द और गलूज आ जाता है उसे हम आई बूगर कहते हैं. 6. He is taking a nap. He is taking a nap. वो झपकी ले रहा है. 7. He was asleep. He was asleep. वो सोया हुआ था. 8. He is sleeping on stomach. He is sleeping on stomach. वो पेट के बल सो रहा है. 9. Stop staring. Stop staring. घूरना बंद करो. The last one is 10. The water is piping hot. The water is piping hot. ये पानी बहुत गर्म है. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.